Hello, welcome to Mama J's at Sylvan Dale Guest Ranch. This cabin sleeps up to 10 people. It has 3 bedrooms on the main floor and a loft upstairs. Thought you might like a little tour. So you come in the front door here, and we've got a cute little sun porch right here. Perfect for breakfast with the family. And then this is the stairs for the loft. And you go up the stairs, and we have 2 beds up here. And so this is the loft room. Perfect place for the kids to hang out and have fun away from parents. Mama J's is a great cabin to have families in, extended families, or to have bridal parties get ready in on the wedding days. We see the brides get ready in here a lot. So we have our first of 3 bathrooms on the main floor. And then you come in here to the kitchen. It's a nice big stocked kitchen. We have pans, silverware, everything you need to do some cooking right here. And we have coffee over here. And then this is the main living room area. The cabins at Sylvan Dale are all kind of have that Western antique motif. Very fitting for the ranch. Little Colorado cabin. Got a potbelly stove over there that does work. And then we have a little breakfast bar area. And over here we do have a deck outside. And then we'll go back here and check out the other bedrooms. So there are 3 bedrooms down here. We have another bath in here. So there's lots of restroom area for girls to get ready in on wedding days, or for extended families to have multiple bathrooms. So those are the bathrooms. And then we have our first bedroom down here, queen size bed. And then we do have a closet in here. And come this way, over here, down the hall, we have another bedroom with a queen, and then another one over here. So we have 5 beds in Mama J's. And then this is another exit right here in the front porch area. So yeah, that's Mama J's. Cute little mountain cabin. Sleeps up to 10 people. It's one of the guest favorites. And we'd love to have you out here, and you can stay in Mama J's and make it your home away from home for some time and enjoy the ranch and have that outdoor mountain cabin feeling while being able to cook for your families and really enjoy the space out here at the ranch. So we hope you enjoyed that little tour, and we'd love to see you out here when you have time to come out to Mama J's and spend some time. Okay. Thank you very much.